So let's see what happens when you go to the mountains with someone you've only hung out once. Hung out with once. Just picking up Bobby Lynn. We met on set. She also does hair, and she sent me a message on Facebook after my hiking trip with Charmaine and was like, hey, I want to go. So I was like, sure, when's your next day off? So it's 6:30 a.m. I'm just waiting for her to come down, and I don't think she's afraid of heights. Hopefully she likes cheesy road trip songs, and hopefully there aren't any surprises. I'm really excited because we just got to the Moraine Lake parking lot road and it is 10 to 9 and it's not full. So I was expecting that we'd have to go shuttle, or I had Bobby drive so that she could sweet talk the guy into getting us up because she's so cute and good at it, but we didn't need to. We're driving up. We are just about to leave for the Larches. We got really good parking. And it's not that busy, but busy enough that if it starts snowing pretty bad, we should be okay. 1.5 kilometers in. It's beautiful. It's a little slick. We might put our crampons on soon, but the trail is really dead today. I've had them land on me. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? I don't know the rest of the words. Walking in a winter wonderland. In the banner we can build a snowman. Snowman! These colors are so amazing. So are these hats. So are our hats. We are gonna climb Sentinel Pass. Some switchbacks. There's some clouds coming in, so we're hoping we can see the lakes when we get up there. We're about, I don't know, 30% of the way up the switchbacks. It's getting really windy up here. I'm kind of at the why am I climbing this mountain point, but it's gonna be worth it. Of course I have to go to the top of the top. We are at the peak of Sentinel Pass. It was not an easy climb up here, and I am about to eat my salad, and I'm intermittent fasting, so this is my first meal of the day, and I forgot a fork.
I brought a sandwich, I was thinking.
So I'm gonna eat the bacon, and I'm really disappointed because I remember grabbing one. Maybe I didn't put it in my bag, but she got us a reward for when we got to the top. I don't know if I can see it. Oh yeah. Baby coffee crisps. Nom nom. Bobby was sitting on her jacket for me to take a picture, and when she got up, it blew off the rock. I have an extra one that she can wear on the way down, but she sees it. If you can't reach it, dude, don't. Oh, I can get you the pole. Oh. Let's get the jacket. Somewhere Charmaine's having a heart attack right now.
I'm afraid it's gonna blow away again.
Yay!
Yay!
Woohoo!
Got it!
It just got really cold really quick, and everyone started booking it down. This guy from Sweden is in shorts. He said we could take a picture. And I look like this. His friend's laughing. He's like, I'm going to take a picture of you taking a picture, but you're going all the way up there like that.
Yep.
I'm impressed, my friend. You have fun.
Thank you.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. She's had that song in my head all day.
Look
that
around.
And,
Show them.
Moraine Lake. We just got back to the car and it's really getting worse out there. So we had perfect timing today. The storm just kept getting worse as we were driving, so we really lucked out.